very good day to all. Today my group member and I going to present about our system analysis and design project. The title of our project is Uniten Registration System. The registration system of University Tenaga Nasional is main system which is created to make lecturer, student and Uniten staff to register and gain information. This is an online registration system which developed by Uniten staff to provide information mainly for students and make the registration processing run easy and fast. The system is really helpful for students, especially for those looking for graduate studies after their SPM and also STPM. By accessing to this system, we can gain and study a lot of information about Uniten. This makes students comfortable and easy to know about Uniten registration system and save their time and cost of traveling to admin office for gain those information. This system also helping registrar in managing database and reduce the paper-based registration of new students. By surfing this Uniten registration system, students can gain information about courses provided, timetable, their result, facility in Uniten, lecture, online registration form and details, library and academic calendars. However, this system is great idea which helping staff, lecturers and students of Uniten, but still there are many suggestions and ideas given by students and lecturers to upgrade the system. Now my friend will proceed in more detail.
The main objective of this project is to provide complete information about Uniten regarding registration system. We aim to give a new level of experience in getting the service in Uniten. This is also to gain and ideas to improve the Uniten registration system, provide better solution for Uniten registration system and make people easy to access the system and save their time and cost. Besides, this is also to upgrade existing system and also to make the system to feel more comfortable to use. Based on the project we have done, we came up into a Gantt chart. The activities that we done before is write a proposal, obtain approval, conduct user survey, tabulate results of survey, design phase that's divided into two, develop interface and also evaluate the select and the best design, and also testing, implementation and user documentation. The duration that we took to complete the whole project was 10 weeks. Now I would like to pass to my friend to explain in more details.
By having this Uniten registration system, we have fulfilled most of the requirement by the users. The method we have used to get the feedback from the users are survey and interview. We have conducted the survey on Uniten students and lecturers who are main users for the system. We have given them separate survey forms. The main objective of the conducting this survey is to know the real feedback of the students' lecturers. From the survey, we have found 80 to 90% of the system users are really satisfied with the existing system. For the interview session, we have done with some of the students and lecturers who are using Uniten registration system oftenly. Based on this interview, we have come up with many ideas to improve and upgrade our system. These suggestions are really good and encouraging us to develop our project very well. Next information will be explained by my friend.
In conclusion, System Analysis and Design Group project is mainly about creating or modifying an existing system. This group project is intended to make students to study by themselves, although the lecturers not yet finish some of lectures. Furthermore, by doing this project, it will help us to gain some experience in implement some other big project in the future. In addition, working in group in this project will develop a good teamwork between teammates. That's all from us. Thank you.